Essentials of instructional design.
Learning taxonomies. Just as biologists use taxonomies to classify different species of organisms, instructional designers and educationalists use taxonomies of learning to classify and organize learning behaviors. Learning taxonomies provide a unifying framework to define and distinguish different levels of human cognition, such as remembering, thinking, learning, and understanding. Some of the popular learning taxonomies are Bloom's taxonomy, Structure of Observed Learning Outcome taxonomy or SOLO, Taxonomy of Significant Learning, also known as Fink's taxonomy, 6 Facets of Understanding. We shall limit our discussion to the widely applied learning taxonomy, Bloom's taxonomy. Bloom's taxonomy of educational objectives. This framework was developed in 1956 by Benjamin Bloom and his collaborators. It consists of 6 major categories. 1. Knowledge, the ability to remember and recall things without necessarily understanding what they mean. 2. Comprehension, the ability to understand and interpret things. 3. Application, the ability to use knowledge and comprehension to solve new problems. 4. Analysis, the ability to decompose the information into smaller components and identify patterns and relationships. 5. Synthesis, the ability to combine smaller elements of things to form a whole. 6. Evaluation, the ability to make judgments. Revised Bloom's taxonomy. To provide clear instruction goals, the original framework was revised in 2001. The revised taxonomy uses action words, verbs, and gerunds to describe the cognitive process of learning and thinking. The revised framework has 6 learning stages, namely remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate, and create. The first stage, the remember stage of learning, is about retaining, recalling, and recognizing the basic concepts. This is followed by the understand stage of learning, where the acquired knowledge is interpreted. The learner moves on to apply the acquired knowledge in new situations. The learners then analyze the concepts by breaking them down and examining their relationships. The next stage of learning is the evaluate stage, where learners use their knowledge and skills to make judgments or justify their stand. When the learners can propose an alternative solution or create original work, they are said to be in the create stage of learning. Learning taxonomies help instructional designers in identifying achievable learning goals, developing plans to meet them, and evaluating the learners effectively. Let's discuss the 3 steps of the instructional design process when we meet next.